How to fix Instagram keeps closing on iPhone. Hey guys, so the first thing that we can do is to go to the App Store right here. Let's search for Instagram. And let's tap on Instagram right here and check if it is up to date. So if it says update right here, that means that your app is currently outdated. So just tap on the update option and it should fix all the bugs and do some performance improvements within the app that might help in solving this problem. Now, if that does not work, let's go back and click on the settings right here. Click on general, click on iPhone storage, and you should see a list of you apps that you have installed. So just tap on Instagram right here and click on offload app. So you can try that, click on offload, and once it has been offloaded, you can reinstall the app. Now, the next thing that you can do is to click on software update right here and let your phone check for update. And if it prompts you to download and install a certain update, so just do that and try to open Instagram once you have updated your iOS version. If that does not work, you can also try uninstalling the Instagram apps. Do that. Just press and hold on a certain app, click on remove app right here, and click on delete app. Now, once you have deleted it, just reinstall it again through the App Store and check if that solves your problem. Now, the last thing that you can do is to go to your Safari or any browser you have and search for Instagram down detector because the problem might be with the Instagram server. So just tap on the first search that comes up and see if there are reports that indicate there have been Instagram outages and might cause this problem. So what you can do if there are outages or something like this, you can try and wait and check for updates from the Instagram official pages. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.